Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 5 says x to the 5th y to the negative 3rd. So in this problem I have a negative exponent. So I'm going to have to use the rule for negative exponents. That rule says that we will take the reciprocal and make the exponent positive. So I would have x to the 5th being multiplied by not y to the negative 3rd, but 1 over y to the 3rd. That's what the negative exponent tells me to do. We can look at this as fractions if you want to put the x to the 5th over 1 to make it clearer. When I multiply across the top, x to the 5th times 1 is x to the 5th. When I multiply across the bottom, 1 times y to the 3rd is y to the 3rd. So my answer would be x to the 5th over y to the 3rd.